Hey everyone, Ollie here, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 10 things to never share with ChatGPT. As an AI practitioner, I'm all about embracing AI tools like ChatGPT, but safely and responsibly. Before we dive in, here's why this matters right now. In the last few years, we've seen multiple privacy breaches involving AI tools, including ChatGPT, where in one instance, it exposed over 100,000 users' sensitive data back in 2023 on the dark web. But don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid these pitfalls while still getting the most out of AI. First up is personal identifiable information, PII, or as I like to call it, the please don't input information. In no case should you ever give it your full name, address, phone numbers, or government IDs. ChatGPT can sometimes be like a chatty friend who might accidentally spill your secrets at a party, because technically that's kind of what it is. All these language models are trained on internet data and will share it with other people. That's fundamentally how they function. Number 2, anything money related. Credit card numbers, bank details, tax information. Remember, ChatGPT isn't a bank vault. It's more like a glass house, transparent and potentially fragile. Third is authentication data. That means never share passwords, PIN codes, two-factor authentication codes, backup codes, basically any sort of unique credential that you use to log into a system. Fun fact, hackers or malicious actors use ChatGPT every day to create super convincing phishing scams. So please don't make their job any easier. Fourth, keep your work secrets secret. Company strategies, internal documents, customer data. Unless you want to get swiftly removed from your position while the competition says thanks for the intel, I use AI all the time to do some data analysis for me, but when I do, I strip all identifiable information. For example, if I want to know how many employees versus contractors in my companies and what country they're based in and do some trend analysis, I strip down all information, so all that's left in the spreadsheet is a column that says permanent contractor and the location will be the country that they're based in. And that's it. Fifth is medical information. Keep your health data private. Your medical history, diagnosis, insurance details. ChatGPT isn't HIPAA compliant. You can ask it things like, why does my heart burn when I run for 30 seconds? And take that information with a pinch of salt. If you're really worried, call your GP and book an appointment. For any emergencies, skip using ChatGPT at all and just call your emergency services 911, 999, 111, wherever you're based and whatever the number may be. Sixth is keep your relationship drama offline. Your family issues, relationship problems, private conversations. Teenagers right now are using ChatGPT as their therapist, and I'd strongly advise against this. Call a human being that is a certified therapist and book in an appointment. ChatGPT is not your therapist. Seventh, protect your $1 million ideas. Your source codes, patents, trade secrets, any idea you have, keep them to yourself. Don't tell anyone. You can use ChatGPT to do some research for you. For example, if you want to understand the market you're looking to get into. But remember, anything you share could potentially be used to train future AI models. Eighth is the legal stuff, and that should stay with the lawyers. Case details, various contracts, information into any ongoing investigations. Your attorney would not be happy if you share this information out. Ninth is respect other people's privacy. Never share someone else's personal information. Going back to my first point, treat your and their PII confidentially. If you do want to share anything about them, get consent. For example, before sharing group projects with their names on it. It's not just about you, it's about everyone's privacy. And 10th is location information. Things like current location, you know how apps ask you about this all the time? Hit the deny button. Your regular hangout spots, your travel plans, you can ask ChatGPT to help with making a travel plan, but don't give out your day-by-day itinerary. In today's age of social media, people love to flex and show off where they are, but honestly, it's much better to keep your whereabouts mysterious, like a social media ninja. Once you finish from your trip, then you can post about it once you're back home. And that's it, folks. That's the top 10 things to never share with ChatGPT or any other AI tool for that matter. Here's a handy AI safety toolkit to take with you. Treat everything as potentially public. When in doubt, leave it out. Use placeholder data instead of real information. Always check shared chat links for sensitive information. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, not a confidant. I'm not saying don't use ChatGPT. I'm saying use it wisely. Drop a comment below with your own ChatGPT safety tips. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI guidance that keeps it real. Thank you all very much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And as always, be kind to each other.